Honor is expected to announce the Honor 500 series later this month in China. While the company is likely to start teasing its key features soon, a new leak from reliable tipster digital chat station has revealed the design of the Honor 500 series. The new lineup will sport a horizontal camera bar similar to the Apple iPhone Air and Google Pixel phones, and a flat display with rounded corners. The Honor 500 and 500 Pro will sport the same design, with the Pro having a triple camera setup on the back. The above image specifically showcases the Honor 500's design with a dual camera system on the back. The Honor 500 and 500 Pro are expected to feature a 6.5-inch OLED panel that supports a 1.5K resolution. The rear camera setup of the Honor 500 and 500 Pro will include a 200-megapixel main camera and an ultra-wide lens. Both phones will run on macOS 10-based Android 16 and support 80W charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.